and I met the director of the film, and he narrated the story, and he said that it's a film with Ajit sir, and there was no looking back. The first few days were really nerve-wracking because standing and sharing screen space with Ajit sir was a little, I was feeling a little nervous, and it was quite nerve-wracking, but he makes the co-stars very comfortable on the set, and he's a very down-to-earth person, very good to talk to, and you always are in awe of his work. So yeah, it was a great experience working with him, and I couldn't have asked for a better break. It's nice. It's very nice because I've been following, the Billa series from the first Dawn that Amitabh Bachchan did, and then Billa with Rajinikanth did, and the one that Shah Rukh and then Ajit sir, and yeah, so it's been a great journey, and I'm glad, and I never expected that I could be a part of that's such a big film. Well, I play the character of Jasmine in the film, and I play the character of that has very emotional quotient in the film, and I play a very pivotal character in the film. And it's something which is very different from what I expected a usual role in a Billa film to be. And I'm really glad that I got the opportunity, and I hope that the audiences love me, appreciate me, and I can do more films in Tamil and Telugu. I never expected that David Billa is going to release in Telugu. So they're redubbing it because the first part of Ajit sir's Billa was remade with Prabhas in Telugu. So I expected that there'll be a remake of the film, but it came as a pleasant surprise for me that it's going to be it's going to be dubbed in Telugu and going to be shown. So it's a great opportunity for people here in Telugu industry also to see me. So yeah, God gives opportunities, and let's see how it works. And I would love to be part of the Telugu film industry too. So I have a very strong connection with Hyderabad. I won the Miss India South in 2007 in Hyderabad, and then I went on to win Miss India. So Hyderabad has always given me a special memory, and I've shot here for a commercial in at the Charminar and Ramoji Film City. I think every time I've come to the city, I have gone back with a special memory with me. And I'm just hoping that my association with the city of Hyderabad and Telugu film industry goes a long way. I don't watch a lot of Telugu films, but I watch a lot of Telugu films that are dubbed in Hindi and shown. So I've seen films, in Telugu like that. But I think, if you ask me about actors whom I really like, I've followed Nagarjuna for a longest time because he's been a part of the Hindi film industry as well. But apart from him, the actors that I really like are Mahesh Babu, Ram Charan, Teja, and Siddharth Suryanarayan. Working with Chakri Taleti sir was really nice, and I met him before the film started, and he said that he would like to do a screen test, and the way he works is that he will make you do the exact same thing that he has in mind. And it kind of is a challenge to perform because it's very difficult to understand what exactly he has in mind. The character that you're playing is on one hand, but a director's vision is very important to catch and grasp. And I'm just hoping that he's liked my work, and he's a super person to work with, very fun to work with. And it's been a great experience. I've not finalized on any projects, but I'm in talks with a few projects in Tamil, and I'm hoping that I'll be locking them really soon. What I all have to say is, what an actor requires is the appreciation from the audience, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. And hope you like my work, and hope I can entertain you for a long time.